I know I told you I would show you how to use the roller, but it's not always about the roller. You've got to cut everything in first. Okay, even like this cabinet. There's tile underneath this cabinet, so make sure to just get on down there and get it done. Okay, I'm going to go around underneath the toilet, behind the toilet too, and stuff. It's always good to get everything with a paintbrush around the edges first before you use the roller. Okay, and it's easy. I'll show you how to cut in a minute. When I do stuff like this, if I have a paintbrush that's starting to get worn out, I'll save it for areas like this so that I can just drag it along. Now granted, most cabinets have a toe kick. You don't have to do stuff like this. But even if you have a large piece of furniture that you don't think you want to move, it's on your tile floor, you can get under there, clean around it, and seal around it, and go around the legs, and it will look good. Just don't skimp. Don't cut corners and short yourself. Do a good job, okay? Yeah, it's going to take you a while, but you get done. It'll give you satisfaction knowing that it was done right. That's what this channel is about. Do your job. If you're going to do it, you might as well do it right. You know, not going to hurt anything. Cracks me up. Some people I've seen cut corners. And sometimes when they cut corners, it takes almost as long to do it wrong as to do it right. So see, I'm just going to kind of finish this off. So when I'm always thinking about my paint roller. How far do I want to do things? Because I'm going to cut everything around the room first. Okay? In all the areas that I can't get. Let's see how we can do this. I'm just doing this on the fly for you. Okay. I'm going to switch paintbrushes and get my better paintbrush. And I'm just going to hit everything. Wherever I can't really reach for the paint roller. All that stuff first. I like using the paint roller, but there's a time for it and there's a time not for it. Now see, I can leave this little section here, but I might forget it. If you think you're going to forget it, just go ahead and fill in these tiles with the paintbrush. You know, get yourself out to a place out here. You know? That. I don't have much room over here next to this toilet, but I think I can get it. Whoa. Hope the toilet's clean. And see, after a while, you'll get good with both hands. Sometimes you have to use your left hand. If you're right-handed, it just takes a little bit of practice. Go slow. And when you first do it, what you could do is you could do it dry. You know, with a dry paintbrush, and just kind of run some strokes along here and see how you're going to do it. See, I always take my brush not right up to it, just, you know, close, and then I slide it up to it. And then I go different directions with the brush. You know, right up next to the baseboard. You thought you couldn't do it. But yes, you can do it. As you're doing it, you might want to put your paintbrush sideways and then lift up on it and get right on in the groove. See? Then come back and flatten it out. Like that. Always being aware of where you've gone, where you haven't gone. Yeah? Okay, I'm even going to do this edge. Don't forget, anywhere where you see tile, you want to get it. So right here, I start here, go right up this edge. Even get the grout line if you can. This freshens up your tile. Make sure that you clean your tile first. This video is not about how to clean tile. I've got other videos, believe it or not, on how to clean your floor tiles. Now this is a natural stone floor. See how rough it is? It gives you all kinds of texture. I kind of like this tile, by the way. Yeah. And I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to keep cutting this all in. Let's see, I'll do a little more section here for you. Okay. Just so you get the idea of how to cut it in. And I've got other videos on how to cut in floor tiles, you know, with sealer. You'll get good at it after a while. After a while, yeah. Don't be afraid of it. If you've never done it before, that's okay. Get in there and get it done. Try it out. You'll make a few mistakes along the way. Everybody does, but that's how you learn. Guess what? Am I a professional tile sealer? I do this for a living? Heck no. But when it's time to get it done, I know how to do it. Okay? And you will too. So I take this, I'm gonna dip it a little bit, and then I'm gonna get off the excess like that. I've still got plenty on there. Then up against there, I slide it up, put my paintbrush at an angle, and then flatten out the rest. And this is a 4-inch throwaway paintbrush. I can backhand it and go up that way. Try to do the edges first, then I come back and do the flat area about 4 inches over, and I'm all ready along this edge for the paint roller. You see? You can do it. You know, even next to a washing machine, tile goes behind there. This is where a bifold door goes. I took the bifold door off. That way I can reach in there and clean, and I can put some sealer. So I'm just going to reach back there as far as I can and get some sealer on there. You know, just with the edge of my paintbrush. That way at least I've got a little bit of it going on. You know, I always try to go as far as I can with the sealer. If you had your bifold door there and you're like, hey, I don't know how to take the bifold door off, so I just go up next to it, and then the bifold door's here and you can't get these tiles, you can't clean this very easily, take your bifold door off. I've got some videos on that too, of course. You know, if you ever are looking for something in particular, you can't find it on my channel, send me a comment, let me know. Maybe I can make a video especially for you.